Western Heritage Parade and Cattle Drive. You can see Longhorns walking through downtown San Antonio. We are here at the Kimble Cattle Ranch, and these are some of those cattle. Joining me now is ranch owner Dr. Scott Kimble. Hello, thanks for having us out here.
Afternoon, welcome.
Last year, how many did you take to the parade?
It's approximately 72.
72 this year? What are you thinking?
A little over 50. As many as I can put in 32-foot gooseneck trailers.
And that's a lot of work. I see them behind. I mean, these are some big Longhorns.
They don't like dark trailers, so we got to light the trailers up so that they can slowly get inside the trailer. It takes about 45 minutes to load the cattle, and then by 7:30, 7 o'clock, hopefully, we can pull out of here and get unloaded with you guys at 8:30 in the morning.
Dr. Scott Kimble and his family have been raising Texas Longhorns since 1981. Here on their Karnes City ranch, you'll find approximately 200 historic Texas Longhorns.
Just as you have us human beings who have all different hair colors and body style and mass and the makeup on, that's what the Longhorns do, and that is very unique to us, to make sure that we keep raising the walking history.
Yes, and you mentioned history, and that's a big part of why you're part of this parade, right?
These cattle are what fed the Confederate and the armies, and if it wasn't for these cattle, there would not be any food available for us to be Texas, because the local history here is these cattle were brought in from Mexico and housed on this land and Yarra Flats, which is about 4 miles north here, up by Falls City. The history of this area in this valley here is what helped the Mexicans at that time, the Texicans at that time, gather the wild stock here and can move it north to feed the army to fight Santa Anna.
And to sum up the history, Dr. Kimble tells me Texas Longhorns originated in Africa. They migrated to Spain for cattle and beef, eventually making their way to Santo Domingo, then moving to Mexico after a bad storm. The European stock then bred with the African stock, giving us these unique colors, and not one Texas Longhorn has the same coloring as another.
And then now that we have the difference in the color pattern of all the Longhorns. The original Longhorn stock was more like a Corriente, was a black body and a red line back and short horns, which you know the Corriente is what they do the roping with. But now we have this type of stock.
If you can't tell by now, Dr. Kimble is very passionate about preserving the history of Texas Longhorns. The idea to raise them came from his mother years ago, and the legacy continues here in Karnes City.
This is a respect for my mom. She just passed in July, and she was really big about keeping Texas history and knowing that this little Karnes County was a special place. So looking at that, taking it into San Antonio, when we walk those cattle through the Alamo Plaza, and I have pictures of it, to listen to the clicking of the feet, the clicking of the horns, the mooing, and to see the picture of the Alamo behind the stock, that's to me what it's all about, is bringing that walk in history so that everybody who doesn't understand it, you got to smell, you got a sight, you have the visual, you have little kids that usually are on their iPhones. They're not on their iPhones. They're taking pictures, but they're not on their iPhones. They're listening, they're smelling. They don't see livestock walking the streets and the clicking and even you look down, you've still got the old doggone bricks.
Okay, I've had a great time here at the Kimble Family Ranch, and just a fun fact, here on the pasture, Dr. Kimble observes the cattle, then decides which ones will make it to the Western Heritage Parade and Cattle Drive, all depending on their personalities and a few other things. So some of these here you may see this Saturday. For more information, you can head to salive.com, click the As Seen on SA Live tab, or scan that QR code on your screen. We got a visitor here. Say hello, buddy.
Let's celebrate San Antonio with us on YouTube.
Yeah, all your favorite DIY videos, food, drinks, tips, and tricks. If you've seen it here, it's on the SA Live YouTube channel.
Just search KSAT SA Live on YouTube and like, subscribe, and ring the bell.